Hello, everyone. Welcome to ConformIQ. Today, we are excited to announce the latest release of Creator version 4.7.1. In this new version, you will find a powerful new feature designed to drastically reduce your modeling efforts and supercharge your test speed. Let's dive into what's new. The major enhancements you can find is a round scanning process, which is now faster and more accurate than ever before and get accelerated modeling experience. Our web page scan feature has been enhanced to provide the capture and automate feature for web applications and renamed to Smart Scanner. The enhancement leverages speed of web page scanning for the application under test, irrespective of application development stage. With this feature enhancement, if user wants to capture the entire web page, they can go with the full scan capabilities and to capture the customized user flows that means element-by-element scanning, with just a click in seconds. Users can now get access to both structured diagram and activity diagram files automatically, and also customization on the capture information. That means the users can add, modify, or delete the element data. The other enhancement what you get is with around automation scripters, basically with Selenium Java and Appium Java scripters, which have been enhanced to support execution in both Java and Maven projects. Now let us see each of these enhancements through a quick demo on ConformIQ Creator. So the first part of demo is on the scanning enhancements, which helps you to get accelerated modeling experience. For which consider a project, say demo, in this case, and right-click on the project, and you will see a new option called Smart Scanner. You can also access it by using the keyboard shortcut F6. Clicking on Smart Scanner opens a new Chrome window. Here, you can enter the required URL and hit Enter key from your keyboard. And there you go, your web page loaded instantly. At the top, you will see the screen name of the web page. Below that, you will find two options, Element Scan and Full Scan. Let's explore both one by one. Starting with Element Scan, you can capture individual elements by selecting them one by one for your workflow and as per testing requirement and scope. As you observed, I selected few elements as part of particular testing scope, and you will see these elements getting added instantly to the Elements view. Now, moving to Full Scan, with our latest update, you can scan an entire web page in no time. You can also manually add elements, using the Add Element feature, especially when locator information is missing. With the help of this pop-up where you need to provide the URL, screen name, element type, element name, and tag name, and click on Submit to manually add elements of application under test. In addition, while scanning, if you click on such elements, you will get an Add Element pop-up to make detection easier. Now when you move inside Element View, you will find all scanned elements consolidated from both element and full scanning process, with their individual object locator information. If you scan elements from multiple pages, you can filter them by URL or by screen name of the respective web pages. Now, let's select all the elements. The arrangement pattern will be sorted automatically. If needed, use the Remove option to clean up unwanted elements. Once you are ready, click the Submit button. You will be prompted to provide customized file names for the structured diagram and activity diagram files. If you would like to create an activity diagram as well, just check the checkbox. By default, the model will be named Smart Scanner, and you can customize as per your testing requirement. Now clicking on the Create button takes you back to the main Creator screen, where you will see the structured diagram and activity diagram files created successfully. You can also see now a scanner folder got created within the Project Explorer. Here you can see the structure diagram with all the elements. It's a wireframe of the entire application. So you can see here the different widget elements, XPath, object-related information within the properties of that element. So these are the different information which you can get by scanning process. Now, with the help of scanning, you can also access this JSON file where you store all the scanned element information through the Smart Scanner folder. It encloses the configuration file with which you can customize the scanning process. So, coming back to the output of the new scanning feature is that now you find this automatic creation of activity diagram file where all the scanned elements and the sequence of steps followed gets consolidated into one activity diagram, and of course you observe. In addition, the creation of the structured diagram file as well. Now, let us see the enhancements in automation scripters, which is basically around Selenium Java and Appium Java scripter. So for this, once you have scanned the entire application under the scope and when the test generation is done, the next step is you just need to right-click on DC Select the scriptors that is Appium Java and Selenium Java, and you can also try customizing the output folder name. So here in this case, I'm mentioning it as Appium Java Demo 1, and for the Selenium Java scripter, I'm mentioning it as Selenium Java Demo 1. So once you have provided the output folder name, now with just click of a button that is on the export, you observe in no time for both the scripters the test rendering has taken place successfully. So once the test scripts are generated, you can see a test case folder has been generated within the active project folder, where you can find both the scripters' output folders. So now within your Eclipse or other execution environment, just go to Import, select the existing Maven project, and browse for the file. So here I'm browsing the particular workspace where my files have been stored under the test cases folders as generated from Creator. So I will select directly the main test cases folder in this case, and click on OK. And as you can see, both the files have been fetched of the different scripting information, and you can see here now I have the Appium Java, as well as the Selenium Java output folders directly imported successfully in no time. So here I just need to go for the particular test suite or the test case, which it encloses, and right-click on it and go for execution.
Hence, these are the enhancements you can find with respect to automation scripters in this new version release. Therefore, this brand new feature in Creator 4.7.1 is here to help you supercharge your testing speed and maximize your efficiency with ConformIQ. Thank you.